Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for Education and why it's best for it. With so much information being created and published online, it's getting more difficult for businesses, including colleges and universities, to stand out and ensure that their content is discovered. You may target your content to potential students who are actively searching for related keywords by employing pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. ClickGuard's PPC protection can help you. You can reach particular groups of potential customers who match your target/ideal audience by using the targeting options inside each ad platform. Location, age, gender, hobbies, and habits are just some of the targeting choices available through Google AdWords and social media advertising platforms. Why ClickGuard? Superior PPC traffic in 3 simple steps. Once connected to your Google Ads accounts, our automated fraud and waste monitoring system immediately starts eliminating waste and boosting your campaigns for optimal ROI. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.